If your Telegram call stays on waiting or doesn't connect properly on your iPhone, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, we'll try out some general troubleshooting, like make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and turn airplane mode on. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn it off. Now close Telegram completely from the app switcher. If you're not okay, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Toggle iOS call integration. So open Telegram and go to Settings, Privacy and Security, tap on Calls, toggle iOS call integration off, then back on. Solution 2. Background app refresh. Go to your iPhone settings, then tap General. Now tap Background app refresh and ensure it is enabled for Telegram. Solution 3. Disable VPN or proxy. First, open your iPhone settings, then go to General and tap VPN and Device Management. Now tap VPN, toggle off any active VPN. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.